Hello everyone, this is Juan from Juan's Garage, and this is your garage tip of the day. 90% of the times why your car won't start is due to a dead battery or bad terminal connection on your battery posts. 90% of the time, that's the issue. Okay, so either your battery's dead or your posts are so corroded, and you'll see some of this stuff here, that your car won't start, right? Now these posts here are a little dirty. I'm gonna see if I can clean them up a little bit, and I'll show you before and after. Now, it always works to have a nice little metal brush to scrape the stuff off. Another thing they sell is battery terminal connection cleaner, and then the protection. So get a couple cans of this if you can. Otherwise, just do the best you can with the wire brush. Most of the time, these are just a 10mm socket. Okay, I've already loosened them up. But you get a 10mm socket and loosen them up. Now, here's a super important thing, okay? Now, they've done a lot better with cars and stuff, but never, ever have your socket on the positive terminal, and you'll see a little plus sign on here, right? You see the negative here, and on this terminal, you can't see it very well, but there is a plus on there somewhere. Okay. Anyway, another indicator is you'll have the red boot on it. Now, never touch your wrench to the connector and a metal part of the chassis or engine, because you will cause an immediate short circuit, and this battery will send you 800 and however many cold cranking amps through your wrench to the frame, and you're going to have a pretty violent spark. So that's the basic safety tip. All right, so anyway, loosen these things up and clean off the terminals, scrub them off with this guy, get all the crust off of it. It has to be a bare metal to metal connection. If not, your battery's not going to charge properly, or when you go to start it, there's going to be a voltage drop across a dirty terminal, and your motor won't turn over, okay? So after spraying the battery post cleaner on there, you see how it foams up. Okay, now you can take your brush and scrub on it a little bit here and there, and then you wipe it off later on. But the most important are going to be the connectors inside, the connections inside the center. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, once you have your battery post cleaned up, get some of these terminal protectors. You'll have a black one and you'll have a red one. Okay, the black one goes in the negative, the red one goes in the positive. And the outside of your terminals may still be a little dirty, but what you want is you want to get the inside where it's going to make a connection to the battery post and clean the post up so that it's nice and clean, no deposits on there. And when you put this on, it'll make a good connection. Same thing here. If you see the inside's pretty clean. Hey, and I've got company here, so, all right. Okay, I've been working on the cars all day, and I'm getting a hint that my wife wants me to cut it out. So let me finish up here quickly. So here's the battery terminal spray. You spray it on, it's this red stuff here. Spray it on top of the terminals when you're done. That helps also. Okay, now these little guys here, I'm gonna close them up, and it'll give your battery some more protection. And that's all there is to it, guys. Keep your battery post clean, put these little protectors on there, and you won't have to worry about that 90% of the time why your car won't start due to your battery connectors, cables, or your battery not being charged properly. 90% of the time, I stand by it. All right. You guys, this is Juan from Juan's Garage signing off. You guys have a great day, and keep your batteries serviced.